The age of the supermarket delivering produce is over. It's over. They're good for canned goods and staples and things like that, but you're going to have to learn to grow your own food. 1,500 tomatoes. So what I did with these torpedo pots and how they grew these tomatoes is that I walked up to these planters and I literally just threw my seeds in there, and guess what? The seeds were like, they were like 10,000 seeds for like, I don't know, $20. These are our tomato planters. I think we got about 33 of them. And they run by themselves. They're fully automated. They don't require any human intervention. I come in and I supplement once a week and that's it. I haven't done anything. I let them grow wild. And check this out. When I let them grow wild, you know how many tomatoes I'll get from this one planter? Probably between 100 to 200 tomatoes. So literally, for less than a nickel, I grew 1,400 tomatoes. Torpedo Pot grew 1,400 tomatoes for less than a nickel worth of seeds. Now, isn't that crazy? That is freaking crazy, dude. That's Torpedo Pot. It grows your food with no human intervention. Put your seeds in, put your plants in, and let it grow your food. Voila. I want you to search the internet, and I want you to find a picture like this on the internet where a person in their backyard grew 15,000 pea pods, 1,400 tomatoes, and about to grow so much other food, 3,000 peppers. We're just growing so much food all over the place. Follow us. And have them all be so healthy and so organic and so pure. Dude, there's nothing else in the world that can do that. Only Torpedo Pot. We're the fastest growing system in the world. If you don't know who we are, you need to find out who we are. We're no joke. My goal is to feed the world. I want to make all of you farmers because I need you to build my blockchain. My blockchain will be built off of all of you farmers storing your food in the network so you'll get the true worth of your goods and services. That's the power of the blockchain. Torpedo Pot. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye. I tell my clients that